So since I'm no longer doing videos on YouTube about artwork, I had to come up with video ideas. And so here's a new series on YouTube. Name this wooden sculpture I just bought. I bought it about last week. It's a bird. I don't know who created it, but I found it in an antique store near me. It's really, really cool. Here's what it looks like. Very well designed. Flip it around again. Oh, you know the Nautilus? Yeah, it's a Nautilus show. Too bad I'm not doing art on YouTube anymore, otherwise this would have been something. Oh, sorry. Alright, so anyway, yeah. Give this thing a name. Any sort of name. Give it a name. And the coolest name, I guess, I'll shout the coolest name here, in the front. But, yeah. That's a little stand and everything. Whoever comes up with the coolest name for this thing wins my respect. How's that? How's that for a video? On YouTube? You don't want to support artists, but you'll support this, I guess. See what happens. Bye.